In lesson 3.1, one of the more difficult formulas is finding the conditional probability. So let's check out this formula here. You can see that I've highlighted all of the letter P's, which stand for probability. And when we look at that red highlight, we have a little slash there between the A and the B. And what that means is I am finding the probability of event A happening, given that event B has definitely already occurred. And what this equation is equivalent to is the probability of A and B both happening on top divided by the probability of just event B. Let's go ahead and take a look at an example on the next slide. For an example, let's use some playing cards. Let's say that I draw one card at random and I want to know the probability that that card is a heart, but someone tells me the card I'm holding is a king. So I'm already given that I know I'm holding a king, and I want to know what's the probability that it's a king of hearts. Okay, so let's take a look here at our formula. So if I want to know the probability of A given B, in our case the probability of a heart given that it is a king, then I'm going to use that quotient formula where my numerator is the probability of both A and B occurring. My denominator is the probability of just B. So for my numerator, the probability of A and B, that's the probability of a heart and a king. There's only one way to get that, so that's 1 out of 52 in blue. And on the denominator, the probability of just B or a king, there's 4 kings in the whole deck, so 4 out of 52. And when I simplify from there, dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'm just going to flip that denominator and multiply straight across. With my 52s canceling, I get a nice round 1/4 probability for an answer.